On 14 December 2019, a historic milestone was achieved at Machakos University with the launch of the 9th Luban Workshop in Africa. Through a Memorandum of Understanding with Tianjin Vocational College, this partnership has paved the way for an exchange of skills, knowledge, and technical resources. Since its launch, the Luban Workshop at Machakos University has been a hub of innovation, facilitating the development of cutting-edge skills for students and staff alike. It's where education meets real-world application, creating a ripple effect of growth and opportunity.
It is my pleasure as a chair of the department to introduce the Blind Eye project, which has been a game changer, a project in the department and the school as a whole. The project was developed by Mr. Mark Ogui, Mr. Brian Kiplagat, and a team in a team of 5 students. This project basically uses various technologies that these students have been taught. One of the key technologies is artificial intelligence, which is the main emerging technology that currently is used to do many projects, both in Kenya and across the world. The other technology that has been incorporated in this project is augmented reality, which basically also deals with issues of mapping, etc. So this project basically handles the visually impaired people in the society normally find challenges or have challenges of how they can navigate their environments. So these students, through passion in development in AI and other technologies, looked at the gap that exists with the visually impaired, and they came up with a way of assisting them to navigate their environment.
For many, the workshop has been transformative, a bridge to global standards in technical and vocational training, making dreams of a better future a reality.
I'm the Dean, School of Engineering and Technology, Machakos University. The School of Engineering and Technology has designed curricula such that every student, before they are allowed to graduate, every student is supposed to come up with a project. And it's not just a project, but a project that is supposed to solve a real life problem out there. So that when the student come up with a solution, the solution will be applicable immediately. We also encourage them that when they go for industrial attachment, we also try to identify problems that they can come and solve and probably share with the solution with the industry. It is also a requirement that the student, before they graduate, they must pass the project aspect of it.
At Machakos University, the Luban Workshop stands as a symbol of what is possible when nations unite for education, innovation, and sustainable development. Together, we are co-creating opportunities for a brighter, connected future.